Alright guys, I'm going to try to do this maybe a little hard doing it one-handed, but I figured I'd go ahead and show you opening this up for the first time. So I just cut the straps on here. Again, this is the Firman WH03242F Whisper Quiet series generator. This is their dual fuel generator. It's a factory reconditioned one. And the only thing it comes with is the propane regulator hose, the propane regulator and hose. I think it doesn't come up with any other accessories, but I don't really think you need anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's inside. Wow, there it is. So far, remember now this is supposed to be refurbished, reconditioned, and so far from what I'm seeing, this thing looks brand new. I mean, that's kind of incredible. Yeah, it looks brand new. There's a tiny little bit of markings on here, but it just maybe looks like from testing. There's, let's see if that is bone dry in there. Let's see if I can turn on the light. Oh, I don't have, let me switch this over and we can see that is bone dry. So that does not look like it's ever had any gasoline in it. I don't smell any gasoline. This looks brand new. This is incredible. This is kind of crazy to get this incredible deal. If you're just watching this video and you haven't seen the previous one, I bought this on eBay. Firman's got their own store on eBay, and I paid less than $350 for this shipped. Well, I'll just tell you, I paid $343.19. That was for this generator, shipped with taxes and everything. I think the actual price before, it was like $310 and then plus taxes, so $343.19. Again, this is a generator that normally on their website they sell for $1,400. You can get it at Costco for $850, $900, and I feel like I just got the deal of the century because this looks almost brand new. It's really heavy. Here's the this is going to be the LP regulator and hose. And yeah, guys, this is awesome. I'm gonna have to cut the video so I can get it out of here, but I'll cut the video and then put it up on the counter here, and we can take another look at it. All right, guys. So we got the generator out of the box, and I just want to note that the packing, they do a really great job of packing it. It's in this super thick, strong box. No damage to the generator whatsoever. And then it looks fantastic. I mean, other than like a scuff right here, there's like some scuffing right here. Other than that, you really couldn't tell that it's a refurbished unit because it looks brand new. Maybe there's a little scuff here, but other than that, it almost looks brand new. Oh, there's another little scuff right here. And let's see on this side. So, and like I said earlier, it comes with the propane regulator and the hose, some instructions, quick start guide, and then just take note here that there is no oil in the unit. So I'll have to add oil to the unit, and look how nice it is. I mean, it looks brand new. I'll turn it around here so you guys can maybe see the other side. It's got this really nice handle that pops out. Here's the other side. A few more scuffs here, a few scuffs there, but all the stickers look new. It looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in it and we'll fire it up and I'll come back and keep showing you guys how amazing of a deal this is for 340 bucks shipped. $343 shipped for one of these little portable generators. Gotta say, that handle's really convenient. See, manufacture date is 1 of 2022, so interesting. It says 2022 over here too, and then the January 2022. So, and then I already opened this up earlier. I'm not planning on using gasoline. I'm just gonna do propane, but we saw this earlier with this was like brand new in there. Kind of hard to see. All right, we'll keep going. All right, guys, so we got the back cover off. It was really easy to do. It's just 4 screws and the back cover pops off. And everything in here looks really very nice and barely used. I don't see anything. I mean, it's like new. Yeah, I still, awesome deal. So here's where the oil goes in. Down there is where you can drain the oil. And then don't forget, you have to connect. You got to connect the battery. So here's where you do the connections for the battery. So we'll get that connected. We'll get some oil in it and get this connected, and then we'll go. We'll run this thing. Hey guys, I love this little generator so far. I've got it running on a propane tank here, and it's doing great so far. I've got an extension cord going inside the house, and it's currently running this freezer. Running this freezer here, and then this refrigerator. And no problem at all. Kind of wish the generator had like a load indicator on it so I could tell, you know, what percentage load it's at, but it doesn't. So maybe there's something there I've missed. It's got this little thing here, so it says 125 volts at 60 hertz and 0 hours of running so far. No real way to tell if it's what load it's at, but I'm happy with it.